Good day, guys. My name is Aliakas, and I'll be teaching you introduction to Pixel App. Welcome to today's class. So, this is my app. This is the Pixel App. I'll click on it. This is my workspace, the interface of the app, where I'll be doing anything I want to do. So, I'll click on New Tests. Click on this Delete button at the top here. Then click on OK. So, here now it is empty. What I'll do is see this bottom part written A. I'll click on the A. Then I have test and quotes. I'll click on test. It's opening new test. I just stop here, new test. I'll click on edit at that bottom. Write what I want to write. So I've written what I want to write. I can either decide to click on this top here. It will capitalize everything. I'll do it like this. So let's make it this way. Then I press my OK. Are we okay with that? So what's the next thing to do? So this shows delete. I can decide to click on this and I'll deleted it. Then if I want to undo it, this is undo. Are you getting it? The next one shows copy. I've copied the text, it becomes two. The other one is saying to front to back, to front to back. This is useless now, unless if I have something at this top covering this interface, this workspace. So the next one is position. This position, I can decide to move it the way I want for accuracy. Let's say this now is in 6px. I can move it like this. This one now is very very slow. In case I want to do something very fast, I can just increase this to 20px. You see it's moving very very fast. You can decide to use this one to reduce it for accuracy. Are you getting me? Okay, so another thing we need to know is the relative position. This is either when, like, this is the workspace now, this is the workspace here. So what I want to do is I want to know where the middle of the workspace is. I want to put this work now in the middle of the workspace. Then I put it like this, middle of the workspace. That means from my right to the left, top to bottom, this is the middle. So if I want to put this same design, this same text, sorry, to the edge of my workspace, I'll click here, it goes here. If I want to take it to the other side, I click here, it goes here. Take it to the bottom, it's here. Take it to the top, it is here. Middle, middle. Are you getting it? So the next one is size. I can try to choose the size I want. This is it. Choose the size that you want, anyone that is convenient for you. Anyone that is convenient for you, just put it in 50. The next one is padding. Yes, padding. Sometimes you might write something and maybe the font you use would not be visible enough. Padding will make you be able to open you'll be able to open the text so that any other thing that does not show will be able to show from the left and from the right respectively. So this is like resetting it. So that's all for that. So the next one is sorry. The next one is color. I can try to choose any color. This is my color. I choose any one I want. My brand color. This is my brand color. I don't use that color. My other brand color is this blue. Yes. So you can decide to either use. Okay, let's do it like this. This is Aliakas. And since I'm talking about my brand color now, so let's do it this way. Brown color, then this other one, make it this way. Make it this way. Okay, then we have it here like this. So then put this in the middle. So next is what again do we have? We've done to Color. Okay, color. We can also talk about gradient. Gradient is like mixing two colors together. We have already made gradients here, as you can see. Already made gradient. You can try to make your own. This is it. If you want it to look like this, click on this. It now is on this side. Click here. Are you seeing it? You click here, click on this one too. You try to choose. Okay, my brand is red. This is the red for my brand. Red for my brand. Make it like this. Okay, this middle now. You'll be like, no, this one is okay, blue. This is the blue. So this is what you're gonna get. And you have to change it from here like this. This is gonna look like. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So let's apply this now to the test. You see it's the blues at the top, but it's not that visible. The blues at the top, and you've seen designs like this where some parts will curve and enter some part of it, and you'll be wondering how is this possible. It's true gradient. So let's use this undo. This is undo now. Let's go back to this is my former color that I used at the beginning. So that's for that. We've done color. Next is texture. Texture is like applying a background, a image to something. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, I'll come back to texture later on to explain. When I'm explaining shapes, I'll come back to color. So opacity is the visibility of a thing. The visibility of a thing, how you are seeing that thing. How you are seeing that thing, that's visibility. So it's in 100% now. I can decide to reduce it to any extent that I want to get what I want. So this is it. 0%, I can't view it again. I can't see it. It's coming up. You see it. 100%. Sometimes now you can use this thing for images. Mostly sometimes when you are blending different images, you can actually use this to blend your image in a design. So that is for that. Rotate, you can rotate it angle 90, angle 180. This is it. Angle. Have you seen it? Angle 180, angle 90, like that. So you just do it anyhow, 180. Anyhow you want to test, you want it to be like this, be like this. So that's it. So the next one is mask. Yes, people use masking tools. This is mask. You can use your mark if any text you want, anywhere you want. Anything you can mark anything that is needed. You just click on the check mark. So that's it. So the next is font. Yes, this is font. Basic thing that you must know. You must know font. So this is how when you click on font, like what you use to change the font that you use. Anytime I'm writing aliakas on my design, the font I always use is Pixel Lab font, and this is what I always use. Amaranth bold. This is what I always use. Amaranth bold. Are you getting it? This is what I use. Amaranth bold. So you see it. These are to look like. Let me just put it. Aliakas official graphic. You've seen it. So this is how it's gonna look like. So you can also use this side to reduce the size of your design. So that is. So let me reduce it now. You see, let's put in 40. Then don't forget this is to keep it in the middle. So that is that. So now, I've talked about fonts. So should in case you download fonts, you see it here. The fonts will show here. In case you download fonts from the internet, you see all of them here. The ones you use will appear here. Are you getting it? So that's that. So the next one is style. This is style now. You can decide to put it in italics. underline it, still in italics. You can try to cancel everything that no operation is needed. Bold, text is already bold already. Bold and italize and bold and italize and underline. Cancel everything. You can also decide to say okay, only aliakas, only aliakas should be italicized. Have you seen it? Then the other ones are normal. Okay, you can say official graphic, official graphic should be underlined. So you can say official graphic should be underlined. I don't know why that's changing, but you can also do that like that way also. So the next one is curve. I can try to curve my. Have you ever, if you see your secondary school logos, they are always like always curved. They write it curved round, like round can be round like this. So this is what through Pixel Lab now. You can use this one. So let's try it out now. Curve. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing what I'm doing? Are you seeing what I'm doing? You can picture your secondary school logos, not for all, sure, but I'm just saying majority of secondary school logos, you see it like this, curving like this. Are you hearing me? Then let's say you can now see something like, let's copy this. You see something like this one now. Will now be something that will be like it will now be under it. So now it can now be like this. Let's increase the size. And put it in the middle. Are you seeing how I'm using all my functions? Have you seen it? So some logos are like this and some schools will put you now put book in the middle, stuff like that. So some logos are like that. So let's go back to where we were, that's curve. So let's do it. You do it. Have you seen it? You see, remember? Okay. So the next one now is background. You can actually add background to this place. Sometimes I use this in if I don't want to place my text on normal shape colored background. I just add background by myself. Choose a visible color. Left padding. You give it space from the left 5. I use 5 for my 5. Top padding 1. Bottom padding 1. That space from the down versus from the bottom. Which just means to make it curve from the edges. I do put my own at 10. It looks so beautiful. Have you seen this? Not everybody will teach you this. Have you seen it? I've done that now. So next to do is so let us on. So you can try to switch it off. That no, I don't want to do again. Switch it off. Just remove. Align. Align now is text. Align in text can be like this. Align so align to the side. Align to the middle. It's meant for tests that are much. This test now is not much. Let's simply try that. Let's try that. Have you seen it now? So let's do align. See now, align to left, align to the middle, center, align to right. I see what I'm doing. So that's what I was saying that is meant for tests that are much. Cannot use it for single text. So let's do the align to the left, or should we align to the middle? This looks beautiful. So Next is next on the list is spacing. Okay, spacing this is so now it shows letters and words. Letters HALL, they are singularly called letters. So spacing, you can decide to space it. So you want to space the letter between everything here. See it. You see that it is giving space between all letters. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? It's giving space between all letters. That's it. So if it's word between each word, Harley, Akas is a word, official is a word. So you want to give space between everything. Graphic is a word. Learn is a word. Graphic is a word. Design is a word. So you can try to give space between them. Have you seen it? Have you seen how it looks like? So I don't want to do it again. Undo it. I hope you've learned that one. Line spacing. Space between the lines. Have you seen it? I don't want this video to be long. Stroke. So I try to give it a stroke. I give it white. It says it looks like it is in two. So it looks so beautiful. You can change it anyhow you want. Can't see it, you don't want to use it again. Shadow. Give it shadow. Shadow. You have to change it. Blur videos. The way it is blurring. Offset or white set. Whether I should move to the right or left. You can try to do it like that. So that's that. So inner shadow, the inner shadow of the text. Same thing applies. Emboss. See emboss. Change it like this. Perspective. This is the perspective too. Not all graphic designers knows how to use this. Not all. This is the perspective too. So you're gonna change it. You can use it for mockups. Not all know how to use this. You can use it for your mockup to mock up your design. See how it looks like now. Let me see what I'm saying. So this is gonna look like any of your workspace. So I've undo it now. I don't want to do it again. So let's continue. 3D rotates. Rotate it. Your x-axis, y-axis. Y-axis means it's going to your right. It's bending to your right. X-axis. Okay, if it's going this way, it means it's bending to your right. If it's showing minus, it's bending to your right. While x-axis means it's bending up and down. See, are you seeing it? You can just leave it like this. And some the design I made, it was like this. And you now look as if somebody is on it. Somebody is working on the test. That kind of stuff is what you use for it. So next is 3D tests. You can make the test 3D. This is 3D test. Let me make an example. You see 3D wall logos. This is what you use. You see as regular as if it's in 3D. To make it look more 3D, you can increase the depth. Are you seeing it? So that's that. And the next is 3D shadow. After I've done this, you do the shadow for the 3D. See the 3D shadow showing down. I'm showing the reflection. Let's say like this. There's a light at the top or at the back or at the side. So the reflection of the light is what's giving it the shadow. So it's just an illustration. So 3D shadow, you remove it, you don't want. So reflection, gonna reflect the text. Are you seeing it? It's not as if it's on a glass screen. I have a design I made like this when my Facebook page hits 100 plus. I made it like this. I made it like this. It was reflecting. The 100 plus was reflecting. So now I can see there's a mirror below it. So you don't want to do it. You cancel it. Okay, vertical offset. You can try to move it downward more like that. So that's all for that. Trying to make this really 20 minutes down. So this is stickers. Any sticker you want is here. Import. If you want to import, if you want to import pictures from your gallery, you can always choose here. Click on all gallery or anything you have. Click on any image, import it to your workspace. You can choose draw. In case you want to draw, you choose the color you want. Choose the color you want. Choose your pen size, how you want it to be. Pen size 10. Smoothness, how you want it to be smooth. Like if you want this side to be filled, you draw. See, this is drawing. Blur radius, you want it to be blur. You increase it, you want it to be blur. You see, it's different from the one I did before. So that's that. Then shape, you can try to use any shape you want. Circle, semicircle, arrow. Choose anyone you want like that. Choose anyone you want. You can use all these ones to make different kind of shapes. Choose opacity, whether you want it to be visible or not. Choose the color gradient, stroke width, whether you want stroke to be there. Okay, when you choose stroke, you want the color red, like that. Blur radius, the stroke should be blur. That. This is the almighty result to and everybody knows how to use this. You can always use this to make something, also to make shape. You might have seen people make this is one is used to move it. This one is used to curve it the way you want. Curve it the way you want. Have you seen it? This is to move what you've done. Have you get it? So that's that for that. So this is arrow. Give you any arrow. So you don't want to use that also. So next is this. This is color. This is color of the background. To just change the color of the background. Let's try it. Let's try color. Have you seen it? Change the color automatically. Choose the one that fits. Use my brown color. I can't use that. You see that it's not matching the text. So let's use white. White is perfect. So that's it. So I want to undo that. I don't want to use the background white. I leave there. Undo it. It's up there. Transparent. Mostly for logo. If you design a logo finish and no logo, you can add it on any image, any stuff like that. So you make it transparent. Because if it is the normal one like this, if you add it to any image to show you this background at the back, to show you anything at the back, so background less. So it is called PNGs. It is called PNGs. So let's undo it. Image size A3 has their sizes. If it's A3 you want, there are different sizes for A3. There's a size for A4. Everything has their size. Are you getting me? So you can just change it to pixel and do it here. Are you getting it? See custom here. Profile picture square, YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, Google Plus, anyone you want is here. You can just change it from there. So the next is crop. See if you want to crop an image. Crop image. This is the image that came with you. From gallery, go to your gallery to import from camera. You want to import from camera. So that's all in that side. Then let's see. Here is saying text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery. You want to import from gallery. You want to add new text. Click on text. This are using it from gallery. Full screen, using it from camera, export image. Everything is self-explanatory. This is quotes from directly from any quote you want directly from Pixel Lab. This is the grid tab. and use it to always design. Let's, for example, now see this enterprise now. I want it to be balanced. I can now do come like this. I like to reduce this 70. Okay, see how that's changed now. It wants to be on the after the S. See it's after the S now. Have you seen it? This one now. I want to move this. I will put it here. Reduce it. Feel it is perfect now. Enterprise you see, so you can easily take your accurate measurement. So you know something like something is outside or one thing is to the left than the other, to the right or to the top, and you can use this grid to grade them. I hope you understand them. Then the next is okay. The next is let's remove from the grid. This is zoom. Always zoom. Once you zoom, there's nothing that you touch will work unless you pull out and click on it again. Then it will be like this. This one now is like I don't know what I'm going to call it to you. Should I say is where you can view your workspace and do some magic to it. Okay, see this way I with aliakas now. Aliakas I can decide to see it. This eye now means you're not able to see it. Aliakas was at this top before. Let's do it again. See it, that is visible, it's visible. Maybe it's no more visible. This one is to delete it. This one is to just here and that space again for write, copy, text, rotate, align, and this is color. This is copy and move to back or move to front. So this is to lock it. Now I cannot move it no matter the magic. It will never move. You get into you lock it. Same thing applies to everything. You can try to lock everything. See it, nothing is moving again. I unlock it. You see what I'm doing. So that's it that. So I've told you about that. You can try to put this like this, put this like this, anyhow you want. You can try to lock everything together so that they will be together. Click on this, merge it, sorry, merge, yes. Click on OK. All of them now become one test. Are you understand? All of them become one test. You can say, no, I don't want again. You undo it. It has become one test now. I hope you are getting value from what I'm saying. So that's it. So what else again? I think that's all. Okay, this. To save as a project, this you want to save it as a project or save as an image. In case like you can come back to once my or you are designing, you don't have things, you can try to save as image. Save as you just save it as a project, sorry. Aliakas official. So yeah, I listen it. You have to save it like this. So you just come back to it. Okay. Saving has been done. How do you now know that it has been done truly? You click on this thing that looks 000. I didn't talk about it before. You click on it. Have you seen? These are templates already for design. You click on my project. Have you seen it? I like as official tutorial. If I click on this now, it's taking me from there. Are you getting it? So I can click on this now. See any software will be lost. Anything I was will be lost. I'll click on OK to see going back. But if it's the two different designs, it will remove that other one again and put this. So now let me teach you how to save. Save it like this, save as image. See JPG no transparent. If it is a logo that does not have a background, it will be in PNG. Are you getting it? But now it is a design, just normal design. JPG no transparency. Dimensions is advisable you keep it in ultra. Why? Yeah, in case you want to print the design. Ultra gives the highest how will I call it? The highest resolution for a design. Then you can now decide to save to gallery. You keep it to load, save to gallery. So then to save automatically. I think that's all for now. Take care. See you in the next video.